Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress. To begin, you will need to choose a web hosting provider and register a domain name for your site. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup incredibly simple. Once installed, you can access your administrative dashboard by typing your domain name followed by a / and WP admin into your browser. This dashboard is your central control panel for everything. Once inside your dashboard, you will find a user-friendly interface. On the left, you will see options to manage posts, pages, and media. To create new content, simply navigate to Posts or Pages and click Add New. The block editor allows you to easily add text, images, and other elements. Remember to use categories and tags to keep your content well organized for your visitors. Personalizing your website's appearance is straightforward with WordPress themes. You can browse thousands of free and premium themes directly from your dashboard under Appearance, then Themes. Once you have chosen a theme, use the Customize option to adjust colors, fonts, and layout settings without any coding. You can also add widgets to specific areas and build custom navigation menus to enhance user experience. Plugins are essential for adding extra features to your WordPress site, from contact forms to search engine optimization tools. You can find and install plugins under the Plugins menu. Always prioritize security by installing a reputable security plugin. Remember to keep your WordPress core, themes, and all plugins updated to their latest versions for optimal performance and security. Also, regularly back up your entire website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.